We were names before we were warnings. We were light before we were lies. Now the throne stands on broken memory, and heaven swears the past never died. So this is what remains of truth beneath the sky that chose the blade. No counsel left, no elder voice, only the cost of what was made. They call it order, call it peace, call this hunger holy flame. But heaven didn't fall with us, it fell the moment El was slain. No judgment seat, no ancient fire, no hand to weigh the law. The Father gone, the crown rewritten, the past declared a flaw. He said there will be only one, erased off, not killed by war, erased by name, by silence after fall. We are the ashes of the council fire, the gods cast down, the truth denied. He took the throne, he took the sky and called the murder sank. We are the memory heaven fears, the names cut from the sacred page. You cannot rule eternal light by turning wisdom into rage. I was thunder before he wore my voice. Rain and war both knew my name. Now he shouts alone from stolen clouds and calls my storm his righteous flame. If he stands one, then tell me why he needed death to stand that tall. A king who kills the past to rule is not a god, just law enthralled.
They burned my grove, they sealed the womb, they feared the life I let endure. A God who stands on blood and law cannot abide will grow secure. They named me sin, they named me wrath, for love that would not bow or break. But life remembers what was lost, and roots survive the ash they made. He rules by fear and sealed decree.
He fears what lives, not what should be. We are the ashes of the council fire, scattered gods but not undone. They won the throne by killing time, but truth outlives the jealous one. Call us demons, call us lies, name us monsters, curse our flame. But every age that dares to ask revives the gods erased by name. I know the end, I know the grave.
I swallowed gods before this rain.
But mark me well, oh fallen king.
This God bleeds fear he can contain.
For death bows not to sacred law.
Nor throne, nor name, nor jealous crown.
All crowns decay,
All gods return, and even I am
learns how to die. We are not here to take the throne that ages ash and bone. We rise wherever mortals ask who benefits, who pays a cost, who decided this was just. We are the ashes of the council fire, truth that would not kneel or lie. They rule by law, by fear, by sword. We rise wherever minds deny. Let heaven keep its spotless lie, its silent stars, its sealed decree will reign in question, scars and choice forever, cast forever free. Hell is gone.
love.